Hey guys, Kalita here with KalitaCalma.com, and I'm bringing to you a testimonial for Nate O'Brien's 1K per day formula. I mean, there's no other way to describe this than value packed, okay? After the first webinar, I felt like I had really gotten my money's worth. I'm busy, and if you're like me, you want results, and you don't want to go all around the internet looking for things that might work or might not work. And, Nate has proven that his strategies work. He made $30,000 or more last month. He's been averaging $1,000 per day, okay? So, I mean, I know that his strategies work, and so I wanted to find out what it was that he was doing. I've been implementing what he's been teaching. I've been doing it consistently, and I have been seeing results. So if you're still thinking about it, you just need to do your business a favor. You need to do yourself a favor and just jump in, because this is not, fluff. This is not hype. This is proven strategies that are working for the people who are in his mastermind, okay? And he is just over delivering on every single webinar. And I am just pleased that I was able to jump in. I feel like I've already got my money's worth. We're not even halfway through, and I'm excited to see what is in store. So if you are thinking about it, if you are an action taker, if you're ready to see your business go to the next level, then just go ahead and get in right now, because this is going to be one of the best decisions that you make for your business this year. So guys, go ahead, grab Nate's 1K per day formula, and I'll see you at the top.